Hello, kindergartners. We have been reading our story, Neighborhood Walk City. It's a nonfiction story that talks about a city and what are different places in a city. Now we're going to be looking at 2 pages today in our story. So we're going to first go to page 12 and we're going to read this section together, okay? So grab your book and get to page 12 and then let's read it together. Now this heading of this section is called working. So what do you think this section is going to be about? It's going to be about working, about people working in different places. All right, so let's read this to figure out more about working. Many people work downtown. Here, there are large office buildings and government buildings. There are stores, restaurants, factories, and other businesses too. Ooh, now look, let's read this caption right here. Cities are full of people who work. Now let's look at this picture. How does this picture help support what the words are saying? How do they match? How does the picture and the words match? Let me read the words one more time and let's see if we can figure out what matches with this. Many people work downtown. Here, there are large office buildings and government buildings. There are stores, restaurants, factories, and other businesses too. Now those words were telling me that there are large office buildings. Do you see that in this picture? Do you see large buildings? Yeah, I see large buildings all over. Look at all of these buildings. So those words match the pictures. Now it also says that many people work downtown. Do you see many people in this picture? Yes, look at this. Look at all of those people down there. They're all going to work or to a store or going to a building downtown. Look at all of these people walking around. And there's even cars too. They're all going to different places. So those words match those pictures. Workers in the city do many different kinds of jobs. Some work in offices, restaurants, or stores. Others build and repair the roads and buildings that the city needs. This caption right here says, a new building goes up in the city. People might live or work here. So what are some of the things that workers do in a city or that people do for work down in a city? Maybe they work in a store or a restaurant or factories. That were some of the ones over here. Or many workers are building the buildings that people will work in or people will live in. There's lots of different work. All right, let's skip this page. We're going to go to page number 16 and we're going to look at shopping and what shopping might be like. So that's what our heading is. Can you point to the heading? Shopping. And so what do you think this page is going to be about? Shopping and how people go shopping in the city. Let's read to figure out how people go shopping in the city. Cities have many different places to shop. There are large department stores that sell all kinds of things. There are other stores that sell special products. Oh, products. I haven't heard that word before. Have you? Products. What do you think that word means? Products. Let's see if we can find some clues. Let me reread that section and see if we can figure out some clues of what that word products means. Cities have many different places to shop. There are large department stores that sell all kinds of things. There are other stores that sell special products. Ooh, so special products. Now, from what this is telling me, if you're going shopping, you're going to go out and buy certain things. Maybe you're going out to buy food, or maybe you're going to buy clothes, or maybe someone needs to fix something. So they're going to go to the hardware store and get some screwdriver, some screws or nails to fix something. Those are all products. Products are things that you buy. Products. So some stores sell all kinds of things. Like if you go into Walmart, you can go get clothes, you can go get shampoo, you can go get food. But if you go to a hardware store, you might only get stuff like nails and screws. You're not going to be able to find clothes or food. You can only find stuff to fix things. So some stores sell all sorts of things and some sell very special products. All right, let's look over here. City neighborhoods have many places to shop too. These stores are usually smaller and sell special kinds of products. Ooh, there again, products. Sometimes stores are grouped together in a certain area. Ooh, grouped. What does grouped mean? Have you heard that word before? Grouped. Now, when I think of grouped, it means that they're all close together. So if you look at this picture here, I see all of these different places. Those are all restaurants. They're all food. So this street is grouped together with food. So this all has food stuff. Well, maybe over here in this picture, these all look like stores. So these are places maybe to get, I know Macy's is to get clothes, sunglasses are to get sunglasses, and these are all stores. So these are grouped together to be stores, while these ones are grouped together to be restaurants. Now let's think about it. We learned about two different kinds of places. There are department stores, and department stores sell all sorts of different things, while a neighborhood stores might have smaller and special kind of products. So maybe only one kind of product, or like this one has only one kind of food, and then this is a different kind of food, and then this is a different kind of food. Well, they're special products, while department stores can have a lot of different products. All right, we're gonna stop there on our story, and we're gonna pull out our Reader's Writer's Journal. And if you don't have it, you can just get a piece of paper, that's fine. But this is what we're going to be doing today, all right? It's gonna be on 326. And the first thing I want you to do is I want you to draw a picture of either products or grouped. We learned about those two words in our story today, products and grouped. And I want you to draw a picture of it. Pick one of those words and then draw a picture of it, products or grouped. Then I want you to answer this question. Which store sells all kinds of products? A department store or a neighborhood store? All right, I want you to answer that question. Which store sells all kinds of products? A department store or a neighborhood store? When you're done, go ahead and post this picture onto Seesaw.